Microsoft has unveiled the Bing AI image creator, and it's nothing short of a technological marvel. Today, we delve into the capabilities of the new AI image creator, and we're leaving no stone unturned. Microsoft has done it again. They have once more pushed the boundaries of artificial intelligence with their latest creation, the Bing AI image creator. By the end of this video, you'll see what I mean, so stick around, because if you thought you had seen it all, oh, we're just getting started. Let's take it back to how it began. In February, Microsoft announced the new Bing and Microsoft Edge. Both are AI-powered to deliver a new chat experience and better search results. Bing has been making waves, going by the over 100 million chats to date. With this, Microsoft decided to take the chat experience to the next level. How? By making Bing more visual. Introducing Bing Image Creator, powered by DALL-E 2. Put simply, the image creator works the same way Bing works. It takes a basic text input and transforms it into a fully rendered, high-quality image that looks incredibly realistic. It allows you to create an image simply by using your own words to describe the picture you want to see. Trust me, seeing it in action is mind-blowing. Just so you know how good Bing AI's image creator is, Microsoft has backed it up with an advanced version of the DALL-E model. And if you don't know DALL-E by now, that's a travesty. Anyway, DALL-E is like Midjourney 2.0, and it's not hard to see why. OpenAI is the brain and brawn behind DALL-E, and it's clear OpenAI spares no effort when it comes to AI. So, Microsoft's Bing Image Creator is powered by OpenAI's DALL-E. Oh, and in this case, it is an advanced model of DALL-E, the DALL-E 2. What sets it apart is its exceptional ability to understand context, style, and visual composition. The Bing Image Creator harnesses the power of machine learning algorithms, natural language processing, and advanced neural networks. The result is stunning and unique images almost no different from reality. I mean, look at this jaw-dropping artwork the image creator produced. We can also see how the whole thing works with the prompt. We can see the text input to create an image of an astronaut walking through a galaxy of sunflowers, and it's created not just one or two, but 4 images. That's crazy! Buy one, get 3 free? More like request one, get 3 free. Thanks, Microsoft! It even gives you the option to add more prompts. Change the astronaut to a cat, change the sunflower to roses, or add a moon in the background. This will be fun to play around with if you like to spice things up. Let's go into more detail on the key features of the Bing AI image creator. It's nothing short of remarkable, and we definitely have to do it justice. First and foremost, we can't ignore the high-quality image generation. I mean, the quality of these photos can't be ignored. It's almost unbelievable that AI created these images. But there's no denying that the Bing Image Creator produces images of outstanding quality. The level of detail, texture, and realism in these images is nothing short of breathtaking. It does this by leveraging the power of deep neural networks. The images seem to have nothing lacking in terms of detail. I mean, if you put these side by side with real photographs, it might be hard to tell them apart. The AI image creator generates images that are practically identical to real artwork or photographs. Of course, there's the infamous multimodality in action. We can see how there's a seamless exchange of information through 2 modalities, text and image. This is so cool. Here, we can see the text input being to give tips for redecorating the living room, and it's quite specific, redecorating with mid-century modern furniture. We can see Bing with output, also in text format. These are actually solid tips, but it's quite impressive how it didn't stop there, but went ahead to ask about the type of mid-century furniture. It shows that Bing is well detailed and highly trained. It's just so impressive. We could see the next input being to create an image of the living room for inspiration, and it goes straight to work. The image creator creates 4 images again. I mean, variety is the spice of life. It seems Bing understands that well. The images capture the essence of mid-century modern furniture. Just look at the detail in these images, not to mention how realistic they are, so you can generate both written and visual content in one place. Microsoft has successfully captured the essence of multimodality, and it'll be interesting to see if they improve on this as time goes on. Will they make improvements to this version or add more modalities? Only time will tell. Bing Image Creator displays excellent style transfer. In fact, it takes style transfer to a whole new level of sophistication. Thanks to its advanced algorithms, natural language processing, and machine learning, it can seamlessly apply the rule of one image to another. This will be great for artists or anyone who likes to maintain the style and flow of their work. The bulk of this will be in the prompting, no doubt. You could assign it the role of a master painter or artist. You could prompt it to take inspiration from a well-known figure's work, or you could even prompt it to follow the style of your own work. This is a great way to try out different styles or to keep your own style and flow, so you can decide to infuse the brushstrokes of a renowned painter into your photograph. Or you'd like to experiment with unique artistic styles. Whatever it is, the Bing Image Creator will exceed your expectations. Visual stories. Imagine a captivating visual journey through the web, offering a whole new way to explore your search results. Well, you don't have to imagine it. It's already here. Say hello to Visual Stories. With Visual Stories, you'll be able to immerse yourself in a collection of images and short videos directly related to your queries. Rather than just having text search results, you now have visuals in the mix. It's a more engaging and interactive way to search for content. It's like stepping into a world where search results come to life. Knowledge Cards 2.0. You're probably wondering what knowledge cards are, let alone it being 2.0. I'll tell you. They're like your own personal encyclopedia, but with a modern twist. They are AI-powered cards that provide a wealth of fascinating facts and essential information at a glance. They're modeled like infographics for better visibility and easier understanding. But Microsoft didn't stop there. Nope, they don't stop halfway. They go all in. The Knowledge Cards 2.0 now comes with interactive elements such as charts, graphs, timelines, and even visual stories. This makes for a better immersive experience. Learning will definitely take on a new meaning. Of course, we can't deny that the Bing AI Image Creator is an incredible creative inspiration generator. It's great if you're an artist seeking inspiration or just need to find your groove. Bing's Image Creator can serve as your very own AI collaborator or assistant. It generates imaginative images based on specific themes, genres, or emotions. Thanks to the vast potential of DALL-E 2, the Image Creator sparks incredible creativity. So, feel free to explore new or uncharted artistic horizons. Super Resolution Magic. Yes, I call it magic because what this AI does is unimaginable. But first, follow me on this little story. You download non-copyright images for use. They look all good and crisp. Now it's time to use them. Alas, it's now a low-resolution photo. Worse, there's a watermark. It's so frustrating. Not anymore. Say goodbye to pixelated images and low-resolution images. The Bing AI Image Creator excels at enhancing image resolution, bringing out intricate details previously hidden. You can expect crisp, stunning, and great quality visuals. Now, let's talk about the practical applications of this game-changing technology. The Bing AI Image Creator can potentially revolutionize industries such as advertising, graphic design, and even entertainment. Imagine being able to generate captivating visuals for your brand. Picture creating stunning backdrops for films and video games with just a few clicks. It has immense potential in the creative industry. Artists and designers can push their creative boundaries and bring their ideas to life more efficiently. Availability. The Bing AI Image Creator will be seamlessly integrated into the Bing platform. It will begin to roll out to Bing Preview users on desktop or mobile. There's no need for additional installations or complex setups. It is also available in Microsoft Edge. Check out the description box for the link to the preview experience of the Bing AI Image Creator. And that wraps up today's video on Microsoft's latest AI creation. What are your thoughts on the Bing AI Image Creator? Are you excited about the immense creative potential it offers? Share your opinions and expectations in the comments below. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more exciting AI updates just like this. Thanks for watching. Until next time.